Did you know that the Hayabusa was so fast that it ignited an import ban and led to the gentleman's agreement that stated that no bikes could be made over 186 miles per hour? That only lasted about 7 years, but more on that in another video. The 1999 Speed Wars was the quest to create the fastest production sport bike. Suzuki wanted to create a sport bike that would be so fast it'd create a whole new class of motorcycles, the super sport. That's how the Hayabusa was born. At the time, the fastest motorcycle on the market was Honda's Blackbird. Hayabusa ended up having 175 horsepower, beating out Honda's Blackbird by almost 10 horsepower. Do you know what Hayabusa means? It's Japanese for peregrine falcon, and those kind of birds prey on blackbirds.